Welcome to Easy English. Today, let's practice pronunciation and find out how to make the sound g. You have to stop the ears with the back of your tongue against the top of your mouth. Then move your tongue to release the air. Let's say g, g, g. How is g different from k? First, if you hold a piece of paper in front of your mouth, when you release the air? When you say g, the paper does not move. G, g, g. But when you say k, the paper moves. K, k, k. And there is voicing, vibrations from the throat when you say g, g, g. Can you feel the vibrations from your throat? But when you say k, you cannot feel the vibrations from the throat. Now, let's say the words with the sound g. Garden, girl, glass, go, gold, ago, hungry, bag, lag, egg, bigger, exam, exactly. Now, let's say the sentences. Can you guess the beginnings of the dialogue? Are you going jogging again?